It's like he's a different person. You know, I'm losing him. And I just don't know what to do. I miss my son. He has such a wonderful smile. And he just doesn't... I don't know. I just don't know how to make this better.